Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to create an inside bar. So as per my subscriber request, I'm going to create an inside bar. So in this video that we are going to do as an inside bar, right? Just a second please. So 3 bar reversal, sorry, I have a call for 3 bar reversal, no problem. So inside bar, when it is forms, so we'll have the chances of the reversal, and using the scanners and screeners we can create a 3 bar inside bar. The inside bar is completely the current candle must be inside between the previous candle. They will say mother candle and child candle like that. That I am going to create here based on the charting scanner. We can find out. So if you are seeing there, we cannot able to find where there is a inside bar. So let's look at this inside bar. This is called an inside bar, right? This is what an inside bar candle. So we have to find out such a bar, such a candle pattern. So this is called inside bar. This is for a bullish inside bar. Another one, there is a inside bar here, and somewhere. So this pattern we are going to, this is what a buy level and this is what a stop level. The market is moving here, and that inside bar we are going to make the scanner to find out those stocks which forms a inside bar, and that would be some conditions. Both the candle should be opposite in color, right? The second candle color should be the confirmation of the trend when there is a bullish. So there is this is what a bullish candle which is inside between previous candle. Here the trend of the candle is green, so we expect there is a bullish trend after this high is broken. So this is what requested by one of my student, one of my client who are subscriber of my YouTube channel. Thank you for giving you to the scanner. Okay, we'll try to make the scanner. So the what was the logic we are going to use? First we will find out the bullish scanner that I'm going to create. The first one is the candle, which must be a red candle, right? So the close must be less than the open, right? Less than open price, because that candle would be red. So what are the stocks? The latest close is less than the latest to open. What about? Yeah, so red candle, correct. Even though it is 1% up, so it was a red candle, right? The first candle should be red and the second candle should be green, right? So we use the 1 day ago open, sorry, 1 day ago close is less than 1 day ago. That this will find out those stock which is negative 1 day before. The lal path lab, let me go for a lal path lab. Okay, super. Oh, great. There is a reversal pattern we find out by 3 bar reversal at 52-week low in lal path lab. Those who are finding that video, those who are watched that video, there is a buying opportunity at lal path around 2027. Now almost 300 point zoom from our entry point with the stop loss below around 60 point. We given a stop loss. It's a huge, great. So this is what a 3 bar reversal we discussed earlier about some video, and we find out some 3 stocks. One is a lalpath, another one is Wipro, I think. These are the stocks which forms a, yeah, Wipro also performing good, right? At this point of 405, we thought it may go up with a stop loss of 391. It was good. So that is called a 3 bar reversal, which we have made an video on almost on 18th July, I think. So let's go to check that video how it is performed. Another stock I didn't remember. Okay, so as we are going to somewhere else, no problem. Lal path lab. Yesterday is the red candle. Today it may be a green candle. No problem at all. And yesterday should be the red candle and today should be the green candle, but that green candle should be inside the previous day candle. So let me create that. So let us to open or let us to close if we use latest close, this must be greater than latest open. So this is what first day is a red candle and second day is the green candle. Let's say already we seen in a lal path, but it is higher than that a previous candle. So but we are expecting inside bar means that must be a green candle, but that candle should be less than the 1 day candle. So let we create the conditions. The latest high must be less than 1 day ago high. Day ago high. And another important thing, so the latest low be greater than 1 day ago low. So this function will find out you inside bar. Let me check it out. Honeywell, Astral, Bharat Electrical, Shree Cement, these are the stocks which forms a inside bar. Let me check it out. Honeywell on it. HO. What's the spelling? HON on it. There's an inside bar. Yes, it is an inside bar. The first day should be a red candle. The second day should be a green candle, and the stock is present at inside between the previous day trend. So we find out there is an inside bar. So we are expecting there is a bullish after this inside bar, yeah, because of the second day candle was a bullish candle. And we expect when the market breaks above this level, we can go for a buying opportunity. Sometimes we may use the selling opportunity also if the bar breaks down, selling, but mainly we are using the green candle to form that. So that would be a great buy opportunity if any stock which forms an inside bar, right? And let's see how many stocks which just forms another Astral, BEL, ERL, Astral. That is also be another inside bar compared to the previous day. Today's range is entirely inside. And Bharat, BEL, Shree Cement, BEL, yes, inside Shree Cement. And another important thing we have to notice here, Shree Cement also be inside. Okay, so these are the stocks. Let I save the scan. Inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, right? So inside bar we find out. Let's see how many stocks daily it forming. So n number of stocks, correct? So if you want to trade tomorrow, these stocks may be difficult. So daily we are getting 10-20 stocks for an inside bar. Which stocks we are going to focus? So number of stocks by the scanner it increased means it is a very difficulty to trade an intraday or even a positioner. So we want to make less number of stocks. Even the inside bar, we want to make the less number of stocks to find out, right? So let me go to find out what other conditions I'm going to use here. Let's see this high and low we are taken. It is the biggest range. If any stocks which is present in between. So let me say this is what open price and high price. Here is the low of previous day I'm talking about. Here is the close and here is the previous day low. If next day the bar which opens and it settles in between the open and close, means if the stock which forms inside bar, this is also be an inside bar, this is having more potential breakout. More potential breakout we can see if the pattern which forms inside the previous day bar, that is a previous day open and close. If any stock which high and low which is inside the previous day open and close, it is having more power and more profit potential compared to this inside bar. This is a normal inside bar. So we are going to filter out that in bigger opportunity that I'm going to see here. These are the stocks which is scanned daily 10-15 stocks. It's not quite good to take a trade, but I'm going to use the latest high, right? The latest high must be less than the open. and the latest low must be greater than the close. If you are changing this function, it would no stocks were filtered today. Got it? There is a no stock which filtered today, but you see how many stocks are very less number of stocks. Let me check it out how the stock is performing. On 21st July, we have Bharati Airtel and DLF. Let me go for a Bharati Airtel. Bharati Airtel. At what date? 21st. Here is the date. 21st. Yes. Let's look at this. This was another inside bar, but that next day candle, that is what the current candle is totally inside between the body of the previous day candle. It looks like a perfect inside bar. So here there is an entry at the price of 680 and it went up to within a 2 days 686, and again it triggers your stop loss. No problem at all. So this is what a inside bar we are expecting to make such a great opportunity. We can add some more condition on that also. Another inside bar of DLF. Let's look at on 21st. This is what the range for a DLF. Let's look at this. At 364, it was broken on 27th, and within a 2 days it went up to 396, almost 30 points. With the risk of some 12 points, it moves more than 30 points. So this inside bar is having more potential breakout. And previously, what are the stocks which we get it? And this is happening on 18th July, Bsoft and NAM India. 18th July, this was on 18th July, and there is a big stop loss. So you can see that there is a big risk for that 287 with the stop loss of 272. So here it moves up to 294, but not giving you such a big result. Right, I hope you understand. This is a scanner, you can make use of it. And thanks for watching this, and thank you very much.